Are you tired of bundling up, scraping ice off your windshield, or shivering through those chilly November mornings? Well, here on the Space Coast, we've got a different vibe. While the rest of the country braces for cold snaps, we're soaking up sunny days, balmy breezes, and perfect weather for outdoor fun. Whether it's taking a stroll on the beach, paddleboarding on the Indian River, or sipping your morning coffee under a swaying palm tree, the Space Coast offers a slice of paradise. Imagine spending your November in flip-flops instead of boots. Sounds amazing, right? Stay tuned to find out why moving to this sunny stretch of Florida might be the best decision you'll ever make. The Space Coast, where November feels like summer and life feels like a vacation. Let's dive in. Discover the wild side of Space Coast, a day at the Brevard Zoo. When you think of the Space Coast, you might jump to rocket launches, pristine beaches, or even a quick trip to Disney World. But did you know we're also home of one of the most interactive and exciting zoos in Florida? That's right. Brevard Zoo in Melbourne is more than just your typical stroll past the cages experience. It's an adventure-packed, hands-on haven for nature lovers, animal enthusiasts, and families looking for a wild day out. Here's everything you need to know about the zoo, the main attraction on the Space Coast. What makes Brevard Zoo unique? First of all, it isn't your average zoo where you're just a spectator. Brevard Zoo is all about interactive experiences, letting you get up and close with some of the incredible creatures. With over 900 animals representing more than 195 species from all over the globe, this 75-acre zoo is divided into different habitats and regions, each offering unique opportunities for exploration. Things to do at the Brevard Zoo. Number 1. Kayak through Africa. Where else can you kayak past giraffes, zebras, and rhinos? Brevard Zoo's kayaking exhibition in the Exhibition Africa section takes you on a guided paddle through the animal-filled landscape. It's like being on a safari, except you're the one paddling through the adventure. Number 2, feed the giraffes. Have you ever been nose to nose with a giraffe? Here's your chance. For just a few bucks, you can feed these gentle beasts and experience their long, dexterous tongues up close. Pro tip, hold on to your leafy treats. They're not shy about reaching for them. Number 3, walk through the aviary. Step into the lands of change, Australia and beyond. You'll find yourself at a lush aviary filled with colorful birds. Grab a seed stick, and suddenly you're Snow White as lorikeets and cockatiels land on your arms for a snack. It's a perfect picture moment. Number 4, zipline over the zoo. For thrill seekers, the trek aerial adventures is a must. Fly through the air on zip lines that soar over the animal exhibits and lush landscapes. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking to see the zoo from a different perspective, this activity will take your visit to new heights, literally. Cool off at the Pause on Play area. If you've got kiddies in tow, they'll love the Pause on Play area, where they can splash in the water play zone, dig for fossils, and get hands-on with the marine touch tanks. It's an educational oasis for kids and a great spot for parents to relax. Number 6, explore the lagoon. Hop into a kayak for a lagoon paddle adventure where you can explore the wetlands and catch glimpses of the native Florida wildlife. From wading birds to maybe even a manatee, it's a perfect way to connect with nature. Animals you meet at the Brevard Zoo. African safari favorites, giraffes, the stars of the Exhibition Africa section. These graceful animals will win you over with their towering beauty and quirky eating habits. Rhinos, don't miss the white rhinoceros, who love wallowing in the mud. Zebras, always stylish in their black and white stripes. They're easy to spot grazing in the open. Feathered friends, lorikeets, colorful and curious, they're the highlight of the aviary. Emus, Australia's answer to the ostrich, these flightless birds roam the lands of change section. Flamingos, who doesn't love these pink beauties? They're a Florida icon. Big cats. Cheetahs, sleek and stunning. The zoo's cheetahs are a must-see. Watch them bask or engage in playful antics. Reptiles. American alligators. Get an up-close look at these swampy predators in the Wild Florida section. Kimono dragons, straight out of a prehistoric world, these massive lizards are fascinating to observe. Aquatic creatures. Stingray. Visit the touch tank and these gentle creatures glide beneath your fingertips. Manatees. In nearby waters. While not at the zoo itself, keep an eye out for manatees in the adjacent waterways. Adorable mammals. Cabiabras, the world's largest rodents, are surprisingly cute and love lounging by the water. Sloths. If you're lucky, you might catch these slow movers hanging out in their treetop homes. Seasonal events and extra fun. Brevard Zoo also hosts incredible seasonal events, like Boo at the Zoo during Halloween and festive holiday celebrations in December. Each visit feels fresh and exciting, with rotating exhibits and special attractions throughout the year. Tips for visiting. Arrive early. The animals are most active in the morning, plus you'll beat the midday Florida heat. Or wear comfortable shoes. With so much to explore, you'll be clocking some steps. Don't skip the sunscreen. Even in the shade, Florida rays are no joke. Bring extra cash. Many interactive experiences like feeding the giraffes or kayaking have an additional fee. Why Brevard Zoo is perfect for everyone. Whether you're an animal lover, a thrill seeker, or just someone looking to enjoy a gorgeous day outdoors, Brevard Zoo has something for you. It's more than a zoo, it's an adventure, an educational experience, and a memory-making destination. So next time you're looking for something to do on the Space Coast, ditch the beach, just for a day, and head to the Brevard Zoo. You might come for the animals, but you'll leave with a wild appreciation for this local treasure. See you on the wild side. Ready for more Space Coast adventure? If you're excited about exploring the Space Coast as we are, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. From must-visit spots like the Brevard Zoo to insider tips on local events, outdoor activities, and life in this sunny paradise, I've got you covered. And when you're ready to take the plunge into Florida living, whether it's finding your dream home or investing in a perfect getaway, give me a call. I'd love to help you make the Space Coast your home.